Hello, what is up guys? I'm your host Gordon and welcome to finally another unboxing video. The product that we are gonna unbox today is of course the Moza Mini Mi smartphone gimbal. This is my first gimbal. The reason why I bought the Moza Mini Mi because I've heard a lot of good things about the Moza Mini Mi. It's said to have wireless charging, which my phone actually supports wireless charging. It's said to kind of supports Android pretty well as well. As you can see, the box is pretty similar to the DJI Osmo 2. We got that really white background and the gimbal over here. At the side of the box, we can see the Moza Mini Mi written on there. So let us take a look what's inside. Alright, right off the bat we have a pretty good looking box. Inside the box we got a black box with the Moza logo on it. Inside the box, ooh, that was interesting. Alright, of course we got this really good looking carbon fiber storage box for our gimbal, which is pretty surprisingly high quality. Let's take a look at the inside. The zip is good as well. It's pretty crammed though. Aha! We got this. Apparently it is a sticker, which we probably do not use it. And then we got ourselves a some QR code. This is the Facebook page obviously, and this is some WeChat code, which there's no website code over here, but never mind about that. We're gonna get the app anyway. And then we got this starter guide. So inside the starter guide, as we can see, we got English, lots of stuff over here, and Chinese. More on that later. We got this anti-water thingy, and then this little box seems to be, if I'm not mistaken, a mini tripod. Pretty cool. It is made out of plastic. The quality is pretty solid as well. Nice job, Moza. And then we got some USB. Apparently it is a flat cable type. And then of course we got the gimbal itself. Let's take out the gimbal. I wouldn't say it is too heavy or too light. I would say that it is just nice on the hand. The quality seems to be a little bit better compared to the Osmo Mobile 2. So let us put on the tripod and see how does it looks like. It should goes on like that. By the way, the cool thing about this box is super nicely padded. We got this really thick foam in there that will definitely protect your gimbal. So as you can see, this is the gimbal. It goes on like that. Pretty stable. So let us take a look at the gimbal closely. We got this joystick thing over here that we actually found on the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. We got this scroll wheel, which kind of similar to the ones in DSLR camera. We got a middle button over here, which I assume that it is a record button. This is the menu button, is where the wireless charging thing's supposed to happen. We get a full-size USB on the top. It allows us to charge our phone. Speaking of USB, we got a micro USB over here. I'm not sure why this is 2018. It should be Type-C, but never mind. This is to charge the gimbal itself. It is a 3-axis gimbal. We get the on-off button over here. So let us grab a phone to test it out. Apparently we need to calibrate it as well. Alright. And then in order to calibrate it, you can actually adjust the knob over here to actually do it, to actually calibrate the phone. But as you can see, it actually calibrates pretty well, so we do not need to calibrate the phone. This needs to be calibrated. It's pretty easy though. You just need to push this thing lower, just push it down, and it is perfectly calibrated. As for portrait mode, you just need to unscrew the knob back here to get your phone into portrait mode. Whoopsie, it's not on yet. So let us turn on the gimbal. Right now it is in portrait mode. Alright, it actually feels pretty solid, it's pretty smooth. It follows my movement pretty solidly. Man, I'm pretty impressed with this. And of course we actually need to launch the Moza Genie app to actually get this whole app to work. So we need to connect the app with the gimbal, and there you go, it is connected. Let's go to the camera mode. There we go. As easy as that. And then we can record by pressing the button over here. Yep, it's recording right now. Stop recording. So overall, my first impression, this is a pretty solid choice. Apparently, I happened to get this gimbal on sale in Malaysia. This is supposed to be around 400 to 450 Malaysia ringgit, and somehow I just got a great deal for only 270 bucks. And yeah, I got a great gimbal and it is value for money. Okay, yep, that is all for today's unboxing video. Like this video if you like it, dislike this video if you do not like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and also remember to click the crap out of the notification button because I'm gonna test this thing out and of course come up with a full review of the Moza Mini Mi. Leave a comment down below if you have any question to ask, and of course I'm gonna see you in the next video.